All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If it's your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We just got done touring this property, so make sure to check out our past video because we just got done touring this one. It's a pretty cool property, but I think I like this one better. This is the Bello by Toll Brothers. First and foremost, we're located out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley. We are in the city of Las Vegas. The name of this community is called Elkhorn Grove. This is a gated community. Average size lots about 9,000 square feet and above. We do have two collections here. This is collections 1, that's collections 2. This collection right here is going to be all single stories, okay, on this side of the community. On that side of the community, you're going to have more of a larger footprint. They also do have the casita as well, so I did videos on those probably about maybe 2 weeks ago, I believe, but you got to check that out because it's pretty cool. Now this is a modern farm style home by Toll Brothers. I love this style. You start to see this a lot, especially in like El Paso, Texas. There's a builder out there, Icon. Give a shout out to Carlos, the owner of Icon Home Builders. If you guys never seen those video home tours, go check those out too as well, because of the style and how they build their homes out there is unbelievable. Now what I like about this style, you have the pitch roof, but then also you have some nice cladding as well with some siding and some brick and some stucco combined. So I love how they just mesh everything together with a pitch roof. So let's go inside, let's see what this home has to offer. So as you can see right here, we have our keypad and also for our rekey, which is really cool. First thing I've noticed as soon as I come in, everything is just completely open. Very high ceilings. This has got to be about 12 feet ceilings. And then we have ceilings over here, 10 feet as well. I don't even know where to start. So it looks like we have a bedroom here, but let me just start back here. I mean, look how high the ceilings are. So I guess we'll start off in this room here. Now, you have an option for 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths. It is a 3-car garage. And the square footage on here is 2,982 square feet. Now, this is a pretty large bedroom, folks. On this one, the AC is pumping and it feels really good. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. We got the 12 by 24 on the tile, 0 threshold, thermofold cabinets. These are only 32 inches here. And let's take a look at the shower. Love the tile combination with the transition. Did a really good job on here. These right here, the 6x6 tile. We had a client that did this with Toll Brothers and they used black grout. And let me tell you, it just looks like shit. Because if you take a look, you have to keep in mind these tiles are not flat, okay? You have these little round curves and you have these misperfection. And when you do the grout is not gonna come out equal. So when you do these type of tiles, depending on the color of the tile, you have to have the same color grout line. You can't do something that's gonna bring you contrast. It is gonna look horrible. And basically we had to rip the whole thing out. But luckily enough, the builder was able to, you know, help us to get it done, but we had to fight for it, okay? This right here, some of these, it looks like you're gonna have cracks, but that's the way that these tiles are. They're not leveled off. So I just want you to keep that in mind. Now, a couple things I just want to share with you with the drywall texture here. This is a flat finish for an orange peel texture. So they laid the texture, they scraped this, okay? Now, once you lay the texture, okay, it's perfect. The problem is that when you start to cut holes or you gotta mud something, like this right here, there was probably a hole here, so they mud this, but as you can see, you're texturing right over the orange peel and you can see the blemish here. The only way to do this is you would have to mud it, sand it down, and retexture it. Now when you're purchasing a home like this, okay, it's really, honestly, it's better to do it when it's painted, so that way you can see every default or imperfection to the wall. When it's white, your eye is not going to catch it unless you really look, okay? So we got the laundry room right here. This is probably linen closet, extra storage. Now I'm gonna say, for the size of this home, I feel like this closet is, actually I'm sorry, the laundry room is a little bit small. But also keep in mind, you're not gonna get 10 out of 10 things. You'll get 9 out of 9 things, because wait till I show you this house. This thing is gorgeous. So this is a bedroom. They have utilized this or displayed this as a office. Did some cladding here. Now I want to show you something, and I think this is very important, okay? So if you're gonna add some custom cabinets to the wall and you're gonna attach it to the wall, and now do you see how you have the stack stone against the cabinet? This is the correct way to do this. The reason why I'm pointing this out, and I'm gonna show you later on, okay? Now let's go take a look at this here. So we have a full bath. Got the subway tiles. All right, not bad. Now this home does come with a lot of options that you can pick and choose from. Let's head down this way here. Pretty cool with the feature walls. Again, I love how high these ceilings are. Now remember, you have an option for a 4th bedroom. This would have been your 4th bedroom, but I love what they did with this, okay? Now you're not gonna get this the way it looks. And what I mean by that is a couple things. You got the mirror, but then you have the offset of about 2 inches on the drywall, and they have a nice smooth plaster texture to this, and then added the mirror. And what's nice about this, it gives you the effect or the illusion or the appearance to have this room look bigger than it really is. And this is really awesome for a designer standpoint. Like, they did a really good job for this room. As you can see, we got some wallpaper. Now keep in mind, if you guys do the wallpaper, do not texture your walls, right? It has to be a flat, smooth finish. Here, this could also be sectioned off with a glass if you choose to. That's what I would probably do. I don't know. Let me know what you guys would do. But you guys ready for this? Watch this. Watch this. Look how gorgeous this is. Just nice and open. Definitely made to entertain, right? So let's go back to the formal dining area. We got some nice cladding right above. Then we have our bar area. A little sink here. Lovely hard surface countertops. And on this one, if you notice, the cabinets here, okay? There's 3 cabinets, but then we have a gap here and a gap here. You can't add another cabinet because it's not gonna look right. So they had to have 6 inches here, 6 inches here to cover that. they did a really good job. Let's go to the powder bathroom, for your guest bathroom. Okay, not bad, standard. So your living area, option with the fireplace with the cladding. And I love how they added this additional storage and also the bench seat. Now one thing I've noticed is this. You see how you have this cabinet here? Remember when we were inside that office or that bedroom? If this was me, I would not clad this and then add the bench seat. I would have added this first, bud this all the way up to the drywall, then cladded this right above. So that way you don't have this gap here. You got some distribute sounds, which is nice. This kitchen is gorgeous though. See, look, somebody said the high ceilings. Okay, so in this one you got 42 upper cabinets. Then you have another, what, 18-inch crown and probably another 6 inches or double stack, then the crown. But let's take a look at this island here. I love the skin on this island. This thing is gorgeous. Zero threshold. This is kind of like almost that European style cabinet here. I ought to clean that up just a little bit. Love this counter depth refrigerator. I think it just looks gorgeous. Here's your pantry. Now, if you guys need a custom closet or custom pantry, contact my girl Pat. Here's your garage here. That's locked with closets, Las Vegas. Definitely really nice. Let's take a look at this. So you have a formal there, but then you have kind of another like dining. Oh, love this right here. We're gonna see if we can go outside here in just a second. So this is just kind of like an office. This is very unique. You have an office here in the primary. Wouldn't it be better just to close this off and push this even deeper, so that way you kind of have like a retreat area? I don't know, let me know in the comments below. I think that's what I would do aftermarket. Not bad. All right, let's go take a look at this bathroom. The closet is huge. Self-standing tub or freestanding tub. Then we have our shower. Oh, this is very unique. Why is the baseboards out like this? That's weird. Zero threshold. Nice and gorgeous. However, notice the grout grout lines have not been sealed. And the problem with this type of tile, I don't know if you guys can see that from the reflection from the sun, you have like this sheen of like dirt all over the place. And honestly, these are the worst type of tiles to actually get for a bathroom or even traffic areas. Even though that you seal this, it looks great, but then you see how like dirty it gets. And then what happens is you end up changing the appearance of your tile. And typically with a bathroom this size, I would not do a tile this small, because when you do a tile this small, it's so congested and it makes the room look a lot smaller than it really appears.
Oh, this closet is huge. Wow.
Hey, how you doing?
This closet right here.
And then we have our water closet here. You do have an option for 4 bedrooms.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, you're fine. All right, so you have a 8-foot slide here. Now I've noticed on this one, this is not the aluminum, this is just the vinyl slide. I do like the fact that we do have a covered patio. Now one thing that's great about Toll Brothers is that they do a really good job with the backyard. I mean, beautiful fire pit, and look at our nice splash pad jacuzzi. Isn't that cool or what? This probably seats like 12 people. You got the Pantry. Matter of fact, somebody just recently stole a pool pump from one of our investment properties. Used ones now go for like 1,800 bucks. It's crazy. I can see why people are stealing them. Alright guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you want more information, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Also, yeah, one more thing, don't forget, there's no cost whatsoever to hire us to help you find a home and go under contract whatsoever. There's a lot of benefits. Doesn't mean you have to use me. I mean, just make sure to get with a real estate agent that understands new home constructions, okay? Other than that, again, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.